This video is a step-by-step guide on how to install Angular on your system so that you can develop applications that are written using Angular. In this video, I will walk you through the installation process, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. So let's dive in. To develop applications with Angular, we need Angular CLI or command line interface. CLI helps in initializing Angular project, creating components, modules, services with simple commands, and providing a simple server to host applications during development. To install Angular CLI, we need npm or Node Package Manager. npm also allows to install various packages that are required by Angular applications. And to install npm, we need Node.js since it bundles npm inside it. So, for installing Angular, we first need to install Node.js, which is very easy. Open a web browser, go to nodejs.org. If you want it for Windows, simply click this link on the home page, or you can also go to download section. Here you can download it for different operating systems. For Windows, click this icon. It will download an executable file. Click this downloaded file and it will launch an installer. Accept the license terms and click Next. Select the install location. We will leave it as default. Click Next. Look, here we have Node Package Manager or npm that will be installed with Node. Click Next, Next and Install. This will install Node on your system. To verify if it is installed, open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac and type node space -v. Enter. It prints the version, which means that Node is successfully installed. Also type npm and enter. It prints all npm commands, which means that npm is also installed along with Node. Now we need to install Angular CLI. Type command npm space I for install space -g, which means that we want Angular CLI to be installed globally on the system so that it is available in every location of the system, followed by the package name, which is @angular/CLI. Enter. Angular CLI is being installed. Angular commands start with ng, so type ng and enter. We also need to provide a command with ng. Let's check the available commands with --help. These are the commands that you can use with ng, such as new to create a new Angular project, generate to create Angular files such as components, modules, services, etc. This also means that we have successfully installed Angular. To create an Angular project, go to the target location, type command ng space new space followed by the name of application. Enter. It will ask you a series of questions such as, do you want to send usage data to Angular team? Do you want routing, format of CSS files, etc.? Answer these and press enter. It will start generating required files and install necessary packages. Go to the location at which we created the project. Look, it has generated all the files here. Next, we will run this project. Open command prompt at this location and execute another Angular CLI command ng space serve. This will compile source files and start a local development server. Look, it has hosted the application at this URL. Go to the browser and type URL localhost:4200. The application is running. Name of the application is the same which we gave with ng-new. So, we have learned how to install Angular on Windows system and how to use it to create a project and run it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative content. Happy coding with Angular and I will see you in the next video.